Let me tell you, I wasn't always a Google Ads guru. In fact, my journey into the world of online advertising was anything but planned. I stumbled upon it by accident while browsing the internet one evening. I was casually searching for ways to make some extra cash online, just like many of us do when we're looking for a side hustle. That's when I discovered the fascinating world of affiliate marketing and the incredible power of Google Ads. I was blown away by the stories of ordinary people generating significant income through these platforms. They were doing it all through simple ads, and it seemed almost magical. At first, I was skeptical. It sounded almost too good to be true, like one of those get-rich-quick schemes. But driven by curiosity and a desire to see if it could work for me, I decided to give it a shot. I spent countless hours researching, diving deep into the ins and outs of Google Ads. I read articles, watched tutorials, and joined online forums. It was a bit overwhelming at first, with so much information to absorb, but I was determined to master it. I realized that if I could crack the code, this could be my ticket to financial freedom and a new way of life. And guess what? It was. After months of trial and error, I finally had my breakthrough moment. With persistence, patience, and the right strategies, I turned Google Ads into a money-making machine. One day, I woke up to a staggering $4,400 in commissions. It was a surreal moment, all thanks to my strategic Google Ads campaigns, which I had meticulously planned and executed. That's the power of this platform, my friends. It can transform your financial situation if you use it wisely. And the best part? You don't need any special skills or a ton of money to get started. All you need is a willingness to learn and a bit of creativity. I joined online communities, learned from others who were already successful, and continuously adapted my strategies. I experimented with different ad formats, keywords, and targeting options to see what worked best. Analyzing data and optimizing my campaigns became a daily routine. It was all about fine-tuning and improving. The sense of accomplishment and empowerment I felt was incredible. I had taken control of my financial future. So if you're on the fence about trying Google Ads, I encourage you to take the plunge. You never know where it might lead you. Looking back, my journey with Google Ads has been one of growth, learning, and incredible rewards. And it all started with a simple curiosity. So, here's to your own Google Ads aha moment. May it be as transformative and rewarding as mine. So, what exactly is Google Ads? It's a question many people ask when they first hear about it. In a nutshell, it's like online advertising magic. Imagine having the power to reach millions of potential customers with just a few clicks. It's a platform that lets you display ads on Google's search results pages and other websites. This means your ads can appear when people are actively searching for related products or services. When someone clicks on your ad, you pay a small fee. This is known as pay-per-click advertising, or PPC. It's a cost-effective way to drive traffic to your site. But here's the kicker. If they make a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. Not only do you get traffic, but you also have the potential to make sales and earn revenue. Think of it like this. You're setting up a digital storefront in the busiest part of the internet. Your store is open 24/7, reaching customers from all over the world. Millions of people use Google every single day. They rely on it for information, shopping, and finding solutions to their problems. They're actively searching for products and solutions. This means your ads are being seen by people who are already interested in what you have to offer. Your ads put you right in front of them at the perfect moment. With precise targeting options, you can ensure your ads reach the right audience at the right time, maximizing your chances of success. Now, before you dive headfirst into creating ads, you need a product to promote. This is where affiliate marketing comes in. Affiliate marketing is simply partnering with other companies and promoting their products or services. You earn a commission for every sale you drive through your unique affiliate link. The key is to choose a niche and product you're passionate about. This makes creating engaging content and ads way more enjoyable. Plus, your enthusiasm will shine through and resonate with your audience. Once you've got your product, it's time to build your online presence. You don't need a fancy website, but you do need a simple landing page. A landing page is like a digital flyer. It's a single web page designed to capture leads and drive conversions. Think of it as your online storefront. Make it visually appealing, easy to navigate, and focused on promoting your chosen product. Highlight its benefits, include customer testimonials, and add a clear call to action. Section 5. Crafting your Google Ads masterpiece. Now comes the fun part. Creating your Google Ads campaigns. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Google Ads is incredibly user-friendly. You'll start by choosing relevant keywords that potential customers might use to search for your product. Next, you'll craft compelling ad copy that grabs attention and entices clicks. Be sure to highlight the benefits of your product and include a strong call to action. Experiment with different ad formats and targeting options to see what works best for your audience. Section 6. The email list, your golden ticket. Building an email list is like building a goldmine for your online business. It allows you to nurture relationships with potential customers and promote your affiliate products directly to their inbox. Add an opt-in form on your landing page offering something valuable in exchange for email addresses. This could be a free ebook, a discount code, or exclusive access to content. Once you have their email, provide consistent value and build trust with your subscribers. Section 7. My $4,400 day, proof that it works. I'll never forget the day I made $4,400 in a single day with Google Ads. It was a game changer for me. It was a surreal experience, almost like a dream come true. And it proved that this stuff really works. I woke up, checked my phone, and was greeted by a flood of notifications. Each ping was a sale, and they just kept coming. My affiliate dashboard was exploding with sales. It was like watching a fireworks show, each sale lighting up my screen. It was a pivotal moment in my online journey. I realized that all the hard work, the late nights, and the endless tweaking of campaigns had finally paid off. It showed me the incredible potential of Google Ads. The platform's reach and effectiveness were beyond anything I had imagined, and inspired me to keep pushing forward. I knew that if I could achieve this once, I could do it again and again. And let me tell you, the feeling of accomplishment was overwhelming. If I can do it, you can too. With dedication, the right strategies, and a bit of patience, success is within your reach. So, don't give up. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. The results will come. Section 8. Your journey to online success starts now. You don't need to be a tech wizard or marketing genius to succeed with Google Ads. All you need is the right information, a willingness to learn, and the courage to take action. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Start by setting realistic goals and break down the process into smaller, manageable steps. Focus on learning one thing at a time and don't be afraid to experiment. The beauty of online marketing is that you can track your progress and adjust your approach as needed. Section 9. Take action and make it happen. So there you have it. You now have the blueprint to unlock the incredible income potential of Google Ads. But knowledge without action is useless. Don't let this information sit idle. Take action today. Start by researching affiliate programs in your niche. Create a simple landing page and set up your first Google Ads campaign. It doesn't have to be perfect, just get started. The world of online business awaits, and the possibilities are limitless.